Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your own website in HTML. This is episode 3 of the series. So obviously, if you haven't watched my first video, I highly recommend you watch that because you won't know what's happening. And you won't know how to enter the environment we're going to be using to make our website. So today we're going to be adding images on our website, and we're also going to be adding, we're going to be writing just a bit more of HTML, but we're mainly going to be focusing on images today. So what you want to do is you want to go to Visual Studio Code. I'm not going to open it, well, sorry, you won't be able to see it. And you want to right click and you want to click Open Live Server, and it will take you to Google Chrome or whatever web browser you're using. And you'll see our website's code and our website's text and stuff. So if you click my channel, you'll see we created links in episode 2. I don't think it's still changed. Obviously we're going to be changing that in Visual Studio Code. But before we start, let's start getting our images in Google Chrome. Well, let's download some images. So I've changed my YouTube channel banner as well to some images I took at my park. I just thought it'd be nice to change the way my Roblox avatar looks. I don't really play Roblox anymore, so forget the whole Roblox avatar. So I just changed it to one of my pictures I took. So I've got the images stored on my computer, so I'll show that. I'll also be downloading the image of my what's it called? My Roblox avatar. I'll put that on our website just so that because it's gonna look weird if I put my YouTube channel profile picture here without, because it's like a landscape picture, not really a portrait picture of my face. Well, my Roblox avatar's face. So it's gonna look a bit weird on the website. So I'm gonna use my old Roblox avatar website. So sorry, my old Roblox avatar image. So I'm gonna get down Google Drive. Let me just download that. Now I don't really have the image anymore on my iPad, and it's on my Google Drive, so forget the idea. Let's just stick to my YouTube channel avatar. Sorry, my YouTube channel profile picture, which is just some fjord picture I took. So I've got that in my file explorer. So let's hop onto Visual Studio Code and let's start adding our images. So you have to see this, but I've got my file explorer open, and this is where I've got all my images downloaded. Well, these are images I took with my iPad, and I'm going to be adding these to my website. So you want to drag those images, and you want to put them inside the images folder we created earlier in episode 1. And you'll see that they'll upload into our images folder. So I've got 3 images here. I've got lake.jpg, and it's basically just a image I took with my camera, kind of like a lake or a river, I'm not sure. I've also got another picture called flower close-up.jpg, and it's basically just a close-up of some flowers I took. I've also got field.jpg, and this is another picture I took of a field in my local park. And in my opinion, they're pretty nice pictures, and my camera quality was amazing. We try at 4K, which is really nice. I'm also planning on taking more pictures with my Nikon camera. I might add them to this website. So let me just delete this real quick. So I've created a comment called images, and so we've been putting all our images. We've been loading all our images here. So the way you create an image is you're going to use this tag called img, and the img tag allows you to create an image, obviously. So you want to click enter, and you'll see that Visual Studio Code automatically detects that we're creating an image. So we've got 2 kind of like strings here. We've got src, which stands for source, and we've got alt, which is probably alternative. In the alternatives tag, you want to put so if the image doesn't load, what the website will do is it will just set the file's name, or whatever you put in the alt string, just the name of that for the image. So if it doesn't load, then it'll just show up image.jpg. So let's put profile picture. and in the src source tag, this will be me putting the source, the directory of our images. So save our website. So you want to let's go to images. So you'll see it will detect that images is a folder. I'm going to click enter, and we have all our files here, which is pretty cool. So my YouTube profile picture is it was a field. So I'll set it to field.jpg, and let's save. Right click, right click, and let's open a live server. You notice that the image has shown up, or whatever image you set it to. But you notice that we have tons of problems with this image. The first one is it looks a bit low quality, and second thing is that it's taken over a lot of space on the website. So don't worry, this is a pretty simple fix. All you have to do, let's move the tab open. All you have to do is you have to set the width and height of the website. So let's see. So the image has loaded, which is pretty cool. Yep, we've got the grass, everything loaded fine. Doing some checking because last time the website didn't load a lot of the image. I think it just cropped it, so some of the image didn't really show up. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code and let's start adjusting the size of our image. Okay, so now once you're back in Visual Studio Code, you want to go to this kind of like bracket. I'll call it a bracket for now. It's obviously not a bracket. I want to click enter, and another way you can do it is you can delete the this kind of like symbol and click enter, and then you can put the symbol back. So you want to turn into a function, you can see. So let's see. Let's put width. Yeah. So it'll detect. It's kind of like CSS. It's kind of like putting CSS in your website, but not really putting CSS. It's just like little snips of CSS in HTML. So I want to type width, and you want to set the width to whatever you want, and make sure it's in pixels. So let's see, width. Let's set it to 500 pixels. Yeah, let's put 600 actually pixels. And height should be. This is more of a rectangle, so let's set it to 500 pixels. So you guys won't be able to see my Google Chrome. This is just because my recording doesn't really allow you to view other tabs. So I'm gonna keep adjusting the width and height till I realize that it's nice, like an appropriate size. So that's a bit too small. Sorry, a bit too big. So this to 500, actually 400 pixels. 300 pixels. Okay, that looks way better. Yep, that looks way better. Okay, so I'll show you what the image looks like now. You'll see that the image is a bit smaller. You can adjust the image's size or position to however you want. And by the way, position, you're going to need CSS, which we're going to be doing in episode 5. We're going to be adjusting the position of some paragraphs, some images, and stuff like that, basically. So yeah, this is our image. We can drag it around. We can see the source. You'll see that we've got images /field.jpg. Let's actually open that tab back up. Let's set it to flower close-up. You see now that our images load, because this is a directory. So in images, inside the images folder, we've got the file. So let's close that. Now let's start adding paragraphs now about this image. So this is something random I came up with. this image was taken with my iPad Pro 10.5 inch, which was made in 2017. We took this photo actually. Took this photo at, I think the resolution was, you won't be able to see my Google Chrome, 4032. So 4032 is basically just 4K. And so, oops, nope, didn't mean to do that. So that the image would look great on any resolution display. Let's put a full stop. This photo was taken at my local park in Birmingham, also known as, actually this park is also known as the Swan Pool. If you want to visit the park, I guess you can. Oops, did not mean to do that. It's basically just like a whole river, massive river actually, like a lake, full of swans. That's why it's called a swan pool. And you can see the swans. They're really nice. I've actually got some pictures of the swans. I might add them later. This park is also known as Swan Pool. The Swan Pool. I have visited this place. Oops, I've visited this place many times. For a walk. I usually visit this park in my free time to feed swans, ducks, pigeons, and quite possibly dogs. Sometimes I do feed dogs. Actually, quite rarely. And yeah, let's see what the paragraph looks like in HTML. So let's open with Dive Server. You'll notice that I've also got another image. Forget that, I'm actually show you how to add another image. Let's read the paragraph. This image was taken, with my, I'll probably change that. This image was taken with my iPad Pro 10.5 inch in 2017. We took this photo at 4K so that the image would look great on any high resolution display. This photo was taken at my local park in Birmingham. This park is also known as the Swan Pool. I've visited this place many times for a walk. I usually park in my free time to feed swans, ducks, pigeons, and quite rarely dogs. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you how to add more images. So let's see. Alright, so now that you're in Visual Studio Code, you want to see, split this. I'm not sure where these spaces came from. So you'll see that we've got our images. Now if you want to create another image, all you have to do is copy this whole paragraph, the image paragraph. You want to paste it again, and if you want to add some presentation, just leave a space, and you want to set the source, the directory, to the image, any of the images that you put in the images folder. So for example, flower closeup.jpg, I'm going to set it to images, and inside images, which is /flower closeup.jpg. Then alt, you can also call alt as a paragraph. Sorry, the description of what the image is, basically. We've got the width and the height. The resolution of the image was taken at the same resolution, which was 4K. So there's no need to adjust the width and height. So let's see. Let's create another image. Let's add another image. Oops, I think. One sec, guys. For some reason the paragraph's gone, which I wrote. Okay, it's creating a paragraph. And I forgot. Before I continue as well, let's change the waffle.tm to waffle.gd and just hope that it redirects you to waffle.tm, because that's my new channel's name. And let's create space and let's put P, which is for paragraph. Let's put this. The first image was taken by Ep3. Let's put here. The second image was also taken with my iPad. The place I took it is the same, which is the swamp pool. Swamp pool in Birmingham, actually. Let's put that to that. This image took me a really long time to make. Sorry, a really long time to take. And yes, it's true, it did take a long time to make, because for some reason the branches kept moving. So when the wind finally stopped, I took the picture of the flowers really quickly. So it took me a long time to take, since the day I took it was on a really rainy and windy day. So the branches kept moving. The rain got my iPad. So let's put that on my camera, which made some pictures blurry. Blurry like the third one. Let's see. I'm not gonna add a third image. I'm probably gonna do that in the 4th episode. But for now, we'll stick with that. So I'm not sure what to add next. I want to make this paragraph a bit more longer. Probably like the third one. What else can we add? Let's actually talk about what these flowers species, I guess. Let's look that up real quick, because I'm not sure what this what the flower type is. White flower types. By the looks of it, looks like a garden rose. Yeah, a garden rose, I guess. So the flower took the picture of looks like a garden, well, a white garden rose, because there could be a red garden rose, white garden rose, and rose. In my opinion, so if you're in the background noise, in my opinion, this flower looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. And the water. Yeah, and the water in the background. I'll probably change water to lake. The lake makes the flowers look really nice. The lake suits the environment the flowers in. And yeah, that's it. So let's see what the paragraph looks like in Google Chrome. Okay, so the image has loaded perfectly fine, and it looks a little bit more high res. We've got our paragraphs here. The second image was also taken with my iPad Pro. The place I took is the same. Wait, what? Taken my iPad Pro. The place I took is the same, which is the swimming pool in Birmingham. The image took me a really long time to take since the day I took was on a really rainy and windy day. So the branches kept moving and the rain got on my camera, which made some pictures blurry, like the third one, like the third image in the fourth episode. The flower I took the picture of looks like a white garden rose. In my opinion, this flower looks pretty cool, and the lake in the background makes the flowers look really nice. The lake suits the environment the flower is in. Let's put a full stop. Yup, and that's it. So you probably guys won't see that I added a full stop, but yeah. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We added images into our website, which is pretty cool. So if you're ever creating a shopping website, you can add images. So if you're creating a blogging website, then you can add all your images and what you've done so far, which is going to be really nice. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be episode 4. Yeah, episode 4. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.